How to fix notifications not showing on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to make sure that you have your notification on Android, simply launch the Settings application. Here, scroll down and tap on Notifications and Control Center. Here, you can select the kind of notification or how you'd want to be seeing your notifications like under Control Center. So tap on Control Center Style and you can select whichever version is more convenient for you. I've selected an older version. After that, go back and then tap on items shown on the lock screen. So you can just select whichever option. Then tap on the floating notifications, and as you tap on floating notifications, you can hide the applications or you can select the application that you want to get the notifications of. As you do that, tap on the notifications shade and you can select whichever style you would want. And then go back and then tap on sound and vibration. And make sure you have your volume adjusted to get the notifications or to receive the notification, and that you'll be able to know that you have received the notifications over here. After that, you'll be able to fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.